Hello, good morning everyone. So time check is already 3 a.m. in the morning. So November 26. Harana mi karon sa mga silingan. Basta kabul na mo na more tradition na siya no sa pag naay mag birthday. So haranaan na mo na siya para mas happy siya sa iyang birthday. So, let's go.
So when it seems you're all alone and your heart will break in two, remember someone is praying for you. Have the clouds round your gathered in the midst of the storm. Is your sheep tossed and battered? Are you weary and worn? Don't lose hope, someone's praying for you this very day. And peace be still, it's already on your way. Someone is praying for you.